Welcome to a behind the scenes look for the holiday haunt at Great Oak. This is our infinity mirror gingerbread house where I have removed the front mirror and you're able to actually see inside. Shout out to Erie Acres Cemetery for doing their infinity mirror and helping to give me this inspiration. And a shout out to Isaac Alexander DIY for doing his gingerbread men. That helped give me the idea for not only doing gingerbread people, but this infinity mirror as well. So this is how the entire infinity mirror looks without the front mirror on. And as you can see, I have basically 4 gingerbread people up here. There are 4 right here. There are the 8 dancers right there. Another 4 gingerbread people right here. And 4 more right here. And as it reflects, it makes it so you can see the infinity illusion that takes place. So this is basically how the whole thing works. So here's how the gingerbread house looks when it's all put together. And as you'll see, they just go on forever. Of course, definitely does not look as good as it does in person, but this gives you an idea of what it looks like. Hope you enjoyed it, and go make something.